Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today we are going to make an amazing dish which comes from Kolkata, which is called the chicken Rezala. For that, I have a kg of chicken over here, to which I'm going to add a cup of beaten yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, a tablespoon of onion paste and some salt. Now let's marinate the chicken. I've already kept a clay pot to heat. I'm going to add a tablespoon of ghee and I'm going to heat a tablespoon of oil as well. Once the ghee melts and the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, 1-inch cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and about 10 peppercorns, and I'm just going to saute it till they leave their aroma. Now I'm going to add 2 red chilies that I have just roughly chopped. I have onion paste over here. I've just simply taken 3 medium-sized onions and I've ground them to a nice paste. I'm going to add this. And we're going to saute this for about 5 to 6 minutes till the color of the onion slightly changes. As you can see, the color of the onions has slightly turned brown. Let's add a teaspoon of garlic paste and a teaspoon of ginger paste. And here I have 4 green chilies which I have slit. I'm going to add that as well. To this I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Here I've made a paste of soaked poppy seeds and cashew nuts. I have soaked 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds and 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, and I'm going to just add 2 tablespoons of this into the gravy. Mix this well, saute it for a few seconds. Now let's add the marinated chicken. Saute this for 3 to 4 minutes. We've sauteed this for almost 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to add 2 cups of water to this. Mix this well. Going to add salt, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, going to add a teaspoon of sugar. Mix this well, and I'm going to cover and cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes till the chicken is ready. We kept the chicken to cook for almost 20 minutes and the chicken is cooked. I'm going to add a few strands of saffron to it, a teaspoon of Kewra water. This just gives an amazing fragrance to the chicken curry. Our chicken Rezala is ready. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. And our chicken Rezala is ready to be served. You can have this with luchis, parathas or steamed rice. Do try this delicious simple recipe and let me know.